Hello everyone. Over the next 3 days, we are going to be working on a reader, highlighting and answering the questions on the side. And you may be wondering, how are we going to highlight and answer questions on the side? We're going to use a program called Cami. And today we just have one page. You just need to worry about the one page today. So when you open your PDF, you should see this little drop down arrow up here that says open with. You're going to click there and we're going to use Cami. You probably don't have that in your apps unless you've used it before. So you're going to want to connect more apps. Click there and just type in K-A-M-I. And you're going to see it here. So click on that and then it will be added to your apps. And then go back up to open with annotate with Cami. So we see here on the side, there's all kinds of things that we can do. Not the ones that are locked, we can't use those, but we're going to be using our highlighters here in markup. So click on markup and you're going to use the same smart highlighting that we do in class. So this will show you all the different colors here. I've already chosen my colors. We have pink for vocabulary words or words that are unfamiliar, blue for key or important definitions or descriptions, yellow for diagrams, green for questions or ideas to investigate research, and orange for summaries, reflections, and conclusions. And if you don't have a copy of this in your science notebook, or if you don't have your science notebook with you, there's the smart highlighting is on the Google Slides from today. So you're just going to click on one of these circles. Your circles will be different the first time you use them. And just pick any of these pink colors and then do the same for the blue, yellow, green, orange. That isn't very orangey, so let's try that. Okay, and then you're going to save those. So those are going to be right here. Right here. Just, you need it, and then you can choose any of these colors. Okay, so let's do an example of this. Make sure that you read the before you read. And right now we're just going to look for a vocabulary word and a definition. So we have weather. We're going to highlight that pink because it's a vocabulary word. And see how it's now pink highlighted. And weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a certain time. What is the weather like right now outside? So that's our definition. We're going to click on the blue and highlight the definition. There you go. Okay, and we're also going to be doing the questions on the side. So the first question here are, what are the two main things that determine climate? I'm going to give you another freebie. Click text box. Make sure that you are your text is black. We don't need to see anything besides black. Click right here. And two things that determine climate. We have the area's average temperature and amount of precipitation. Precipitation. Okay, and then you have that added
This is
right
a demonstration of how to add Cami to your Chromebook. This is not your assignment. This is an example of how to do that. This is only a demonstration. Your assignment is called What is Climate Reader? So on your Google Classroom, you're going to click on What is Climate Reader? Just like I'm clicking on this right here. And you might, if you go to the top of the page, you might see a drop down that says Open With. If that's not there, come over here to the three dots, click on that, and click Open in New Window. And here you're going to click on Open With and click Connect More Apps. And we're going to search the apps. Type in Kami, Kami. And you see this Kami PDF and document annotation. Click Connect. And then we go back to Open With, Annotate with Kami. Authorize Google Drive. Log in with your name, with your Gmail account, your school account. Scroll down to Allow. You're using this for K through 12 school. You're a student. And then Finish. Welcome to Kami. Continue. When you are finished highlighting and answering the questions, you need to save your work. I know that's different because everything's saved in Google Classroom normally, but in Kami you need to save it in order to turn it in. So come up here to this floppy disk, click on that says Save. Click Save Now. And that will be saved to your computer. And then when you go to turn it in, once again, this is not your assignment. This is an assignment from high school. Click on Add or Create. And this is now a file on your Chromebook. So click File. Select files from your device right here. Select files from your device. And it should be in your recents. And it'll be the first one. See right here? It'll be the first one that is in your recents. Check the date and the time. Make sure that you just did it so you know that you're turning the right thing in. Click on that. Click Open. And upload. And then you'll see your file, your PDF right here, and then you click Turn In, and that's it.